To all the kind-hearted people out there, those who constantly spread goodness and help others, I want to address this video to you. I know you exist in a world that seems to be filled with negativity and injustice. If you feel this video is meant for you, please leave a comment so we can acknowledge each other's presence. I also understand that you may have experienced betrayal and disappointment from many friends and others. You might feel that the world doesn't appreciate kindness, and perhaps you're disheartened by your interactions. I want to share with you the essence of my life experience, focusing on 2 key points that may be beneficial to you in dealing with these circumstances. Point 1. Distinguishing between personalities and good versus evil. First, let's discuss the concept of good and evil. Many people believe the world is divided into good and evil, but the reality is that there are various types of personalities, and there isn't a single way to categorize people. Psychological studies, such as those by Daniel Goleman in his book Emotional Intelligence, show that sensitive personalities are deeply affected by others' emotions and actions, and you might be one of them. If you are highly sensitive to others, it means you are an empathetic person. However, you should understand that others' actions do not reflect your worth or character. Their negative behavior reflects their own issues and does not diminish your value. Personalities and actions are not always within our control, but we can control our reactions. Point 2. Dealing with betrayal. Second, you might find it challenging to build new relationships and trust others after experiencing betrayal. Research, such as studies from Harvard University on social relationships, shows that our past experiences can affect our ability to trust. But it's important to recognize that the betrayal you faced should not limit your flexibility in choosing friends. Negative experiences can make us more cautious, but they shouldn't deter us from finding good people. By understanding the behavioral patterns that lead to betrayal, you can learn to distinguish between trustworthy and untrustworthy individuals. Identifying and avoiding toxic personalities can be a significant step toward building healthy, positive relationships. Conclusion. In conclusion, remember that your presence and kindness are rare and valuable in this world. Don't let betrayal and injustice change your pure nature. Be confident that there are people like you who strive to do good and spread positivity. Learn from your experiences, but don't let them hinder your ability to form new, meaningful connections. Keep nurturing your kindness and remain open to the good that can come from the right people. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and share your experiences. Remember, you are not alone, and we are here to support each other.